Hey, what's up guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix CES 2019. I'm here with Rob at the MB Quart booth, and we're taking a look at the new Nautic premium line of speakers. He's going to tell us a little bit more about them. So after you, Rob.
All right, guys, this is our new Nautic premium speaker line. Really unique thing about this speaker line is that, say you buy a 6.5-inch speaker, it's going to include one of each color of these rings, so you can take them off so you can match what other application you want. Either that's a boat application or a power sports application, this line is going to be perfect for you.
That's awesome. Yeah, you could even probably just paint them as well too, if you're looking for something even more custom.
Yeah, you take the black, scuff it up a little bit, you can match your ride, match your boat, be perfect.
Awesome. Well guys, that's the MB Quart Nautic premium line of speakers. For more information and detailed list of specs on this particular line of speakers, please visit sonicelectronix.com.